Hi everyone, Peter from Chill Emporium here. So on this video we're going to make these little paper spinners. So when you hold them up high and you let go, they spin down. So we're going to start off by just getting your bits together. You need your paper, some pens, scissors, your matchsticks, and then you can either use tape or a glue gun. That's best. So you start off by just cutting the strip. You're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to glue 2 matchsticks on. So I'll pop a bit of glue on. These just add a bit of weight to the spinner. So pop them there. Let them dry, and then your next bit is you're going to fold these over like this. So there's one this way, just fold it over 90 degrees, and then you fold the other one the other way, like so. Your next bit is you can colour them in, do little patterns. Now you've got to experiment to get them just right. You've got to point these at an angle. Well, that's for you to decide on which angle to use. And then what you can also do, you can do different lengths of your propeller bits that stick out. And then you can have a race against somebody. So you just put it up high and then let go and then they spin. Voila. Hold up.